Hi, I'm Jake Hill, and for a number of years I've proudly been representing Diamondbrite as their brand ambassador doing this. So today I'm here with my little sister Ellie, and she is new to the world of driving. So today I thought I would share my tips and tricks with her on how best to use the Diamondbrite products. So first up, Express Wash and Wax. This is one of my personal favourite products. I use it all the time. And the reason is, it's just so easy. All you need to do, spray it all on, and now go for it. Just wipe, wipe, wipe. There we go. And it literally, how easy is that?
So easy.
It's good, isn't it? So next up, we have Ruby Red. Go for it, rinse it all. Cool. So we're going to leave this for a couple of minutes for it to fully bleed and set in. And we're going to come back and rinse it. Okay, Els, guess what time it is now?
Rinsing time.
Rinsing time. Let's go for it. So next up, we're going to use the snow foam. Now, a lot of people normally go straight in with the snow foam, but it's really important that you rinse the car just with a jet wash first to make sure that we get all of the road grime and cobwebs off of the car and make sure it's as clean as possible, ready for the next step. Let's go. This is the snow foam applicator. We're going to fill this up, put it on the gun and get shampooing. Snow foam applied. Els, I've got my wash pad.
Got my wash mitt.
She's got a wash mitt ready to go. So we're going to rinse them in the water, get them all wet. Let's start washing. So next up, Els, we've got rinse and shine. Oh yeah. So what we do is we apply this whilst the car is still a little bit wet. We've obviously rinsed the car of all of the snow foam and the shampoo. It's looking really good, but now we need to dry it, and we're going to use that as well with rinse and shine. And this will just help everything sort of bead off the car when it gets wet again, and just make it a much nicer thing, and of course give it a bit of a shine. So next up, Ultra Glass window cleaner. This is an amazing product used by so many manufacturers around the world, and I absolutely love it. So, tyre dressing up next. Ellie's got some new tyres on her car, perfect. So all we do with this one is we spray on ours, and then if there's a little bit too much on, then we just wipe that off, wipe the excess off, all right? Okay, Els, we've done the outside.
Time for the inside.
Time for the inside. So next up, we've got interior clean. Yeah, it's good. I've used it a couple of times. Give it a little spray on top of the dash, and we're going to start cleaning away. That looks good then, Els, doesn't it?
All done.
Happy?
Ready to go.
There's only one thing left. Diamondbrite air freshener.
Perfect.
So then, Els, your car's all clean.
Yep.
What was your favourite product to use?
Probably the snow foam.
You like the snow foam?
Yep, just gets it all off quicker and easier, and then when you use the jet washer, it just takes everything off.
Easy peasy, right? Good. Well, thank you so much. Now you have no excuse to keep asking me to clean your car.
Do it myself.
And don't bother about asking Dad neither, because he's rubbish.
Yeah, I know.
Exactly. Anyway, thank you, Diamondbrite. You made her car look absolutely perfect.